from Nkrumah's The Last Stage of Imperialism. He says the essence of neocolonialism is that the state which is subject to it is, in theory, independent and has all the outward trapping of international sovereignty.
Mhm.
In reality, its economic system and thus its political policy is directed from outside.
Yes.
Do you think this is what is taking place right now, Khalid?
Yes. 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 Most definitely. Yes.
Okay.
If we interview, I would say locals on the ground
Hmm.
in Ghana and other places of Africa where China is present,
Hmm.
they do not like China's relations, but yet we see the common themes of the politicians and the ruling class who benefit from these, from the capitalist class, from the political class, if you want to call it that one. I do believe there is a political kind of capitalist class who has the power and benefits from having the relations to the access to capital, the foreign access to capital, um, contemporarily. But if we do our analysis, we know that these relations are here as a result of the same structures from colonial governors that were here and were not reformed or abolished at all, upon decolonization.